Meteorologist Brittany Beggs in the Storm Alert Center for the latest on our forecast. It's a Storm Alert weather day, and Brittany, you were telling us about some areas already seeing some of those showers.
Hey, Latrice, yeah, we have some heavy rain actually ongoing for parts of the viewing area. Rain is coming down across all of Monroe County right now. Some heavy rainfall just moved through Tellico Plains, and we're starting to see that rain begin out of Cherokee County. Murphy, heads up, you have some heavy rainfall tracking towards your home. This is moving southeast, and I went ahead and I put a track of this. Ducktown, we've got rain moving into your area. Looks like into Hiwassee Village in the next minute or so, Reestown in the next 2 minutes, and Bowling Springs in the next 3 minutes. There is some cloud to cloud lightning with this from Polk County extending into Cherokee County. I don't see cloud to ground lightning yet. That's likely going to change here. We had that with that thunderstorm that rolled through Middle Valley. That thunderstorm is weakening, but it's starting to roll through now Bradley County, and it's approaching I-75 near Cleveland. It's also moving southeast into, it looks like South Cleveland in the next 4 minutes, and it looks like Mount Vernon in the next 6 minutes. So I want to show you the rapid refresh model. This is the model that gets updated every hour. The rapid refresh is not going terribly aggressive, but it does show where a bulk of the precip is ongoing this afternoon. This is showing right now from 75 into our eastern half. Now, by this evening, I still think there's going to be some thunderstorms out there. The rapid refresh is not showing much for the Tennessee Valley. It's showing some stuff across Jackson and it looks like DeKalb counties. And by about 5, 6 o'clock, things kind of start to get going again. They start to kind of blossom up again. Because of the new data that I am getting, I think notifications should be on those phones, and we'll keep them on tonight too. So the rapid refresh and what we call the North American model, we have 2 forecast models that are showing thunderstorms even late tonight and into the early morning hours tomorrow. And the rapid refresh is in better agreement with the North American model. And this is showing 10 o'clock tonight. Likely some thunderstorms across Sequatchie County. It looks like McMinn County, Monroe County. And then here's the overnight hours where things could still be pretty active east of I-75. The rapid refresh again during this time is similar to the North American model. So just a heads up. Further east you are, better strong thunderstorm threat you do have later tonight too. So here's our severe outlook. This is just another way of looking at that graph that I just showed you earlier. On the scale, it's the lowest scale. It's isolated at this point. So that means a few storms are going to reach the severe criteria. We'll likely have more significant weather advisories though than warnings today. And you can see on this scale, it's also on the low end of our damaging wind risk. I think more so we'll probably have 40-mile-per-hour wind gusts with some of the stronger storms, but a few could reach 60, which is the severe criteria. All right, as far as our temperatures go, you can see where the rain has been ongoing. Rain has begun across Cleveland, 77. Big temperature gradient here, 73 in Athens to 87 in Chattanooga. So further south we are, the temperatures are going to be much more toasty as we've got rain-cooled air ongoing from Dayton and all the way through, it looks like Murphy now. Murphy's coming in at 73. So probably have some rain-cooled air that's begun out of Cherokee County at this point. Here are my forecast highs today. It'll be anywhere from 92 from Dayton because once that rain moves out, the sun does its thing this time of year. It's going to rebound. It's still early enough. So 95 for Chattanooga, 96 for Fort Payne, and we'll put it in the upper 80s for Murphy and for Blue Ridge. Here's a look at our current heat index value. It's 95 in Chattanooga. So that rain, once it comes, it's going to do us some favors. But tomorrow our rain chance is lower. So the heat index tomorrow is going to reach 100. Here's 2 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. 101 for Cleveland and 101 for Dalton tomorrow, even flirting with 102, 103. Tomorrow is going to be a hotter day. Wednesday will kind of be the same scenario. That heat index on Wednesday will reach the triple digits because our rain chance is lower during those days. We still have a chance for pop-ups those days, but it doesn't look, I mean, we're looking at today kind of the best rain chance, and then Friday we get a little bit more moisture. This is showing the temperature outlook from August 17th through the 23rd. So this is heading into the 3rd week of August. The relentless heat, I think, is going to be sticking with us all week here. Next week will bring a brief change. This does not mean it'll be cooler. It just means temperatures could be below this normal, which is 90 to 89 degrees. Here's our new 7-day forecast then. I put Friday and Saturday with a good chance for rainfall. So heads up if you're already making plans for the upcoming weekend.